Hi friend, today I discuss with Python and data analysis MCQ question for Geeks Kepler, and 80% question are coming from this PDF because the question setter from our team. Then you learn and understand which type of question come, and you can definitely hit 80% if you see this video. And we also add some motivation in each 5 question after we solve. देन लेट्स स्टार्ट। तो सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं, पहले क्वेश्चन की ओर चलते हैं पाइथन डेवलपमेंट की, जो कि यह है कि हु डेवलप पाइथन प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज। तो पाइथन प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज को जो डेवलप किया था उनका नाम था गाइडो वन रोसम। देन गाइडो वन रोसम हैव डेवलप द पाइथन प्रोग्रामिंग। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, बट वी वन मोटिवेशनल स्पीच फॉर यू। इस दुनिया का कोई रंग नहीं, कोई ढंग नहीं है, पैसा पास है तो सब कुछ है, वरना कोई संग नहीं है। एक और कहना चाहूँगा, वक्त से लड़कर अपना नसीब खुद बदल ले इंसान वही है जो अपनी तकदीर बदल ले। असली परीक्षा असफलता से बचना नहीं, असफलता से सीखना और आगे बढ़ना है। तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की ओर हम चलते हैं, विच टाइप ऑफ प्रोग्रामिंग डज पाइथन सपोर्ट। तो पाइथन जो है ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग है, स्ट्रक्चर और फंक्शनल तीनों प्रोग्रामिंग को सपोर्ट करता है। तो डी आंसर राइट होगा, क्योंकि पाइथन इज ए इंटीग्रेटेड प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज विच सपोर्ट ऑब्जेक्ट स्ट्रक्चर एंड फंक्शनल बोथ प्रोग्रामिंग। तो अब हम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की चलते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो है, थर्ड क्वेश्चन जो है वह कहता है, इज पाइथन केस सेंसिटिव व्हेन डीलिंग विथ आइडेंटिफायर। देन आंसर इज यस, Python is a case sensitive with dealing with identifier, always significant. Next question, which of the following is correct extension of the Python file? .py. .py we will use to the Python extension. Then option is C. हम पांचवें क्वेश्चन की ओर चलेंगे और नेक्स्ट वीडियो में पाइथन और डाटा एनालिसिस जो होगा, जो मीडियम और हार्ड लेवल के ऑब्जेक्टिव होंगे, जो हम डिस्कस करेंगे। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज कॉल्ड, इज पाइथन कोड कंपाइल्ड और इंटरप्रेटेड। तो पाइथन कोड इज नाइदर कंपाइल्ड एंड नॉट इंटरप्रेटेड। पाइथन कोड इज बोथ कंपाइल्ड एंड इंटरप्रेटेड। देन ए ऑप्शन इज राइट, पाइथन कोड इज बोथ कंपाइल्ड एंड इंटरप्रेटेड। मेनी लैंग्वेज हैव बीन इम्प्लीमेंटेड यूजिंग बोथ कंपाइल्ड एंड इंटरप्रेटेड, इंक्लूडिंग सी, पास्कल एंड पाइथन। सो आंसर इज ए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 6, all keyword in Python are in capitalized, lowercase and uppercase. True, false and none are capitalized while the other are in lowercase. Then option D is right. Seventh question asks, what will the value of the following Python expression? 4 plus 3 divided by 5. Explanation, the order of precedence is percentage plus, and the expression above of the simplification result 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, hence the result is 7. The order of precedence, percentage is the order of precedence, then we add 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Next question, which of the following used to define block of code in Python language? Indentation. In Python, to define a block of code, we use indentation. Indentation refers to white space as a beginning of the line. Then option A is correct answer. We go to the 9th question. Which keyword is used for function in Python language? So diff keyword we use to create a function in Python. So answer B is right. Next question, which of the following character is used to give single line comment in Python? Then we use hatch to be single line comment, hash character at the beginning of the line, it also called number sign or pound sign, to write multi-line comment, close the text between the triple it was an example comment text. We go to the 11th question, but we call on one line of विकल्प बहुत मिलेंगे मार्ग भटकाने के लिए। विकल्प बहुत मिलेंगे मार्ग भटकाने के लिए, लेकिन संकल्प एक ही काफ़ी है मंजिल तक जाने के लिए। रास्ता भी जानता हूँ, चलना भी जानता हूँ मैं, आग हूँ तबीयत से जलना भी जानता हूँ, मुझे मोम न समझो जो झट पिघल जाऊँगा, मैं सूरज हूँ डूबकर निकलना भी जानता हूँ। तो एक लाइक मेरे इस मोटिवेशन पर आप लोग ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। एंड वी गो टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। The next question is, what will the output of the following Python code? I is equal to I 1 while true. If I percentage 3 double is equal to 0 and break I plus is equal to 1, then option is B, syntax error. There should not be a space between plus and equal to in plus is equal to 12, which the following function can be help use us to find a version of Python that we currently working on. Then question called, which of the following function can be help us to find the version of Python that we are currently working on? Then sys.version, because the function sys.version, option D, can help us to find the version of Python that we are currently working on. It also contains information on the build number and compile use. For example, 3, 5, 2, 2, 7, 3, etc. This function also returns the current date, time, bit, etc. along with the version. Python support the next question 13 asks, the Python support the creation of anonymous function at runtime using a construct call. Then option is C, lambda. Python support the creation of anonymous function, the function that are bound to the name as a runtime using the construct called lambda, and lambda function are restricted to the single expression. They can be used where is normal function can be used. What is the order of precedence in Python? The order of precedence is parentheses, exponential, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Then option is T. For the order of precedence, just remember the PEMDAS. PEMDAS. PEMDAS means PEMDAS, exponential, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. It one name PEMDAS, similar to BODMAS. The next question. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, for order of precedence jot, what will the output of the following Python code snippet if x is equal to 1 and x double less than equal to 2? Explanation: the binary form of the 1 is 0 0 0 1. The expression x double less than equal to 2 imply we are performing bitwise lift shift on the shift, else the value 0 1 0 0 with the binary form of the number 4. Then option is right. Next question, what does pip stand for Python? Pip install Python. We use pip is package manager of Python, which is also called preferred installer program. Then option C is right. Which of the following is true for variable name in Python? Unlimited length. Variable name can be of any length. Then option B is right. 17. Now we go to the question 18. What are the value of the following Python expression? Calculate them. Expression 1 evaluated as a 2 double multiplication 9 is equal to 512 exponent 2 evaluated at 8 double multiply 2 which equal to 64, and the last expression evaluated 2 double multiply 3 double multiply 2 the because is the associated of multiplication operator in the form of right to left, hence the result of the third expression is 512. Then option A is right. 512, 64 and 512. 19th question. Which of the following is the truncation division operator in Python? Then option is B. Because it is the operator for truncation division, it is called so because it is the return only the integer part of the quotient, and truncating the decimal part, for example 20 double truncation division is equal to 3 is equal to 6. Then option is B. Then we called one, जीतोगे तुम भी अगर, जीतोगे तुम भी अगर इरादा करो, अपने आप से अगर वादा करो, पत्थरों की तरह मजबूत बनो, जिंदगी में यकीन खुद पर और औरों से ज़्यादा करो। जीतोगे तुम भी अगर इरादा करो, अपने आप से अगर वादा करो, पत्थरों की तरह मजबूत बनो, जिंदगानी में यकीन खुद पर और औरों से ज़्यादा करो। अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की ओर हम चलते हैं। 20 क्वेश्चन कहता है व्हाट विल द आउटपुट ऑफ द फ्लोइंग पाइथन कोड? I is equal to 1 0 2 0 hello and list filter boolean I. Then option is the code show above the return the new list contain only those elements of the list I which do not amount to 0, and the output is 1 2 and hello. Okay, understand? Then option is C, 1 2 and hello. Next question, which of the following function is built-in function in Python? Give the answer in comment box. I give you 15 seconds. उलझनों से डरे नहीं, कोशिश करे बेहिसाब, इसी का नाम है जिंदगी, चलते रहिए जनाब। तो इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर बी है, बिकॉज द फंक्शन seed is a function which is present in the random module. The function square and factorial are part of the math module, and the print function is built-in function which print a value directly to the system output. Then option B is right. Next question, which of the following is use of id function in Python? id return the identity of the object. Each object in Python has unique id and the id function return the object id. Then B is the right answer. First answer is every object does not have a unique id. A is the wrong answer. B is the right answer. Next question, the following Python program can work with parameter. Diff f1 args kwarg kw args, print sand foundry and return x arg and kw args and return f1. The code show above the show a generic decorator which can work with any number of arguments. Then option A is right, any number of arguments. Next question, what will the output of the following Python function? Minimum, maximum, false, -3, -4 and 2 7. The function maximum is being used to find the maximum value from along -3 -4 and false. Since false amount to the value 0, hence we are left with minimum 0 to 7, hence the output is 0 and false. Then correct answer is false, D. Next question, which of the following is not a core data type in Python programming? Then class is user defined data type, then it is not core data type, then C is the right answer. What will the output of the following Python expression? X is equal to 56.236. Print percent 0.2 percentage. The expression show above the round of the given number of the number of the decimal place specified, since the expression given a specific rounding of the two decimal place. The output of the expression will be 56.24. Had the value been 56.234 and any number less than 5 last digit, then output would have 56.23. Then option is D, 56.24. Next question, which of these is definition of package in Python? A folder of Python program is called as a package of module. Then option B is right answer, because a folder of Python module. We go to the next question, but we say one thing more. रास तुम जो करते हो वही करो, खुश रहो, दुनिया नहीं. तुम जो करते हो वही करो, खुश रहो, दुनिया नहीं. जब आपकी कामयाबी बोलेगी तो कोई आपकी डिग्री नहीं देखेगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की ओर चलते हैं. व्हाट इज द आउटपुट ऑफ फॉलोइंग पाइथन फंक्शन? hello 246. The function length return the length of the number of element in the iterable. Therefore, the output of the function show above in 4. Then correct answer is 4. What will be the output of the following Python code? X is equal to ABCD. For I in X and print I dot upper. Option is A, B, C, D. B option ABCD small and C option error and D answer ABC. The correct answer is D, ABC. ABC, because the instance of the string returned by upper is being printed. Then option is D, right answer. D option D is right answer. So next question, what is the order of namespace in which Python look for identifier? Python first search for the local, the global, and finally the built-in namespace. Then option A call, Python first search the built-in namespace, then the global namespace, and finally the local namespace. Wrong answer. Python first search built-in namespace, local namespace, and finally global. Wrong answer. Python first search local namespace, right, the global namespace, right, and finally built-in namespace. Then C option is correct. Next question we go. What will the output of the following Python code? Snippet. Then I, for I in the 1, 2, 3, 4 and -1, print I and end. Then -1 reverse the list. Then output is 4, 3, 2, 1. Then option A is right answer. Then 32 question have called, what will the output of the following Python code? A, triple greater operator, A plus BC operator, BC. Then option is B, ABC, because plus operator is concatenation operator. Then option B is right answer, ABC. Next, which function is called when the following Python program executed? F is equal to full and format F. Then both strf and format F called f dot string. Then option C, format str is equal to right answer. C is right answer, C. Which one of the following is not a keyword in Python programming? Then eval is not given. Eval can be used as a variable, then not a keyword. What will the output of the following Python code? Class tester, div init, self id, self dot id, string id, and id is equal to 224. Then temp is equal to tester 12 and print temp id. Then id in the class will be attribute of the instance. Then output is the 12. Then A is the right answer. Thank you for the video. And 100% this question come into the your first statement. 20 question we will set from this set, then must prepare for the every question. Thank you.